So it's Sunday afternoon. It just stopped raining. Well, there are still some drops. I don't know if you can see. But yeah, it's good enough to go for a walk before it picks up again. Lizzie, tuki, pridi u krok. Yeah, in the morning when we went for our usual walk, well, we went at 7 a.m. Why? Because this one woke me up at 2 a.m. at 5 a.m. that she needed to go out first to pee, then number 2. So I am awake from 2 a.m. 3 hours of sleep, so yay. And the morning was also raining so much that I had to take an umbrella with me. But yeah, we are just once again trying to catch this window of relative good weather. There was no let's say danger. Lizzie, greva tukaj nagreva. Tukaj greva, pridi v krog. Tako, ja. There was no danger of flooding, fortunately, this time. Here, at least here in Ljubljana. Couple of other places west of Ljubljana, southwest of Ljubljana, there were some floodings, and we have to go on the grass as usual. But yeah, here was relatively, in Ljubljana it was relatively calm. No reports. But yeah, we are expecting still rain during the upcoming night. So yeah, probably this will be our second and the last walk of the day, if there will be. So what is time is what? Oh yeah, it's 5 p.m. already, so yeah, this will be our definitely the last walk. And yeah, but we will make sure that she will go. She will have another toilet break before we go to bed, because I want to sleep tonight. Oops, a little bit of sleep. Here, this is one of the areas when it's raining, it's basically like a swamp. Most likely there is a clay deposit just below the surface. Every time that you walk here on this area, the grass is, the soil is just moving. Yeah, I'm wondering how long it will take for them to like remove this, replace this, repair this, or remove this old fence, or it will stay just like this. Greva danes, tukaj greva danes, pridi. So in this the old building is still Sava zavarovalnica, so Sava Insurance Company, one of the smaller, well, smaller, there are bigger, let's say, plus technical security company. Yo, Lizzie, you know, when we are, let's say, in a hurry to go for a walk or to conduct our walk as fast as possible, she is like, oh no, we have time. I have no problem in walking in the rain, being completely wet. Greva tukaj. Ja, pridna si. So this restaurant is closed. It's closed on Sundays and holidays. Let's see if the new restaurant, so this restaurant has more food items. Oh yeah, the new restaurant is opened, but the new restaurant is basically a little, it's like a grill, you know. They have grill items, food items. The bar is closed and the food shop is also opened. And of course, fruit and veg shop is closed. Jo, smo se ustrašili, a? A te ustrašil. Both were freaked out. Ay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's it for now. Kam zdaj? Tukaj greva. Lizzie, pridi.